Hey there, science fans. Let's travel back in time to the 1800s. Can you imagine a world without computers? Way back then, people wrote everything by hand. It was slow and tiring. Then, along came the typewriter. This amazing invention changed how we write. The first typewriters were like mechanical marvels. Each key was connected to a little arm. When you pressed a key, the arm swung up and struck an inked ribbon. This left a letter printed on the paper. Bam! The QWERTY keyboard layout we use today was invented for these early typewriters. Wild. The typewriter was a game changer. It made writing faster and easier. People could create documents, letters, and stories more quickly. The typewriter became a must-have tool in offices and homes around the world. What an innovation! Hold on to your hats, science enthusiasts. Technology never stands still. In the 20th century, electric typewriters burst onto the scene. These newfangled machines used electricity to make typing even smoother. Electric typewriters had a lighter touch. You didn't need to press the keys as hard. This made typing faster and less tiring. Plus, some electric typewriters came with cool features like correction ribbons. Typos, be gone. The electric typewriter was a big step forward. It paved the way for the computer keyboards we use today. Can you imagine going back to those old manual typewriters? I can't. Get ready to be amazed, science buffs. As computers began to emerge, so did a new kind of keyboard. These early computer keyboards were like something out of a science fiction movie. The first computer keyboards were often connected to large, room-sized computers. They used punch cards or paper tape to input data. It wasn't exactly user-friendly, but hey, it was a start. Gradually, computer keyboards evolved. They became smaller, more reliable, and easier to use. The QWERTY layout remained, but new keys were added for specific computer functions. The digital revolution was well underway. Prepare to be dazzled, knowledge seekers. The arrival of personal computers brought keyboards into our homes and onto our desks. They became an essential part of our daily lives. Computer keyboards continued to evolve. We got ergonomic keyboards designed to reduce strain on our hands and wrists. Laptop keyboards shrunk to fit those portable marvels. And then came touchscreen keyboards on smartphones and tablets. Wowzers. Today, we have virtual keyboards projected onto surfaces or appearing on our screens. The evolution of the keyboard shows how technology adapts to our needs. It's a never-ending journey of innovation.